Government now says no Kenyan has died from the ongoing famine in parts of the country. Deputy President William Ruto led a group of government officials in disputing statements by residents of various counties that at least 9 people have lost their lives. The National Drought Management Authority says those deaths resulted from diseases and other causes not related to famine. But as Enoch Sikolena reports, various parts of the country are yet to get a reprieve from the ravages of drought and hunger.
She had gone for days without a single meal. But today, she's lucky. Someone has dropped a wild fruit for her. But all is not rosy for this grandmother whose body continues to waste away in the face of a biting drought and hunger. The mukoma fruit is too much for her weakening teeth and dwindling strength. She's among the over 300,000 people in Turkana, West Pokot and Baringo counties that now have almost nothing to live on.
The condition of vegetation in the country has been affected by the drought. The situation of livestock has been affected to an extent.
Now, according to the government, 13 counties are in dire need of food and water, with 1.1 million Kenyans facing starvation. The cause of this? Poor rains. Pictures of starving people have left many Kenyans asking why the government waited until the hunger situation reached the level of starvation and death before action was taken. Was the drought never foretold by the meteorological department? And was the information shared in government? Or did anyone simply sleep on the job?
We give this information consistently to all arms of government, including the Ministry of Agriculture, NDMA. We are in touch with them. And we share this information across all the government sectors.
The first line of intervention has already been carried out by counties. We are now coming to the second level of intervention by the national government. So we are not at all, if you speak to the experts, we are not at all behind schedule in government intervening in the drought situation we have in the country.
Over 1 million Kenyans are facing acute food shortage owing to the drought. According to statistics by the Ministry of Devolution, at least 20% of the population in 13 counties is food insecure. The situation has been markedly severe in Turkana, Mandera, Wajir, Garissa, Baringo, Kilifi, Tana River, West Pokot, Marsabit, Makueni, Kajiado, Kwale and Isiolo. Besides pictures of people losing their flesh, reports of death have emerged from some of the counties. At least 9 people have been reported dead in Baringo and Turkana owing to drought and famine. But the government begs to disagree.
And yes, the deaths were there. But the reports we have gotten from that exercise, they have not been able to link those deaths directly to drought. Those deaths are linked to maybe sickness and other issues. Experts
say when there is a severe lack of food, many people die of starvation. But between starvation and death, there is nearly always disease. In fact, Devolution CS says the Ministry of Health has been drafted in to eliminate the likely outbreak of diseases.
We also have health, Cicely Karaoke, because of the situation that is happening. Health is a factor. We'll be working with the counties to work together.
Tukisema watu wamekufa, tunasema ukweli. Na hata ukisema tuende tuangalie kaburi, tutakupeleka tukwambie ndio huyu mwenye alikufa. Na ukitaka kuchimbua, utaenda kuchimbua, uende upime, ujue alikufa kwa nini.
What we are concentrating now is, together with the counties, to work on logistics of making sure that food reaches the people in affected areas in a timely manner.
Enoch Sikolena, Citizen TV, Nairobi.